Hello there. So these are the stuff we need to get those spark plugs replaced. This is an E8 Torx. So this one is 8 millimeters and this one is for the tool. 16. We will see which we shall use, and the spark plugs. So let's get the job done. So first we remove this cover. Okay, so the cover is off. Now we need to disconnect these. Okay, I will see how to do that. One, two, three, and this one is tricky. So to take off this one, first you have to remove this one, and now you will have enough space to remove this. See, okay. Now the next step, we have to remove these screws to each of the spark plugs with this tool, Torx E8. Okay, screws off, so we remove the okay, one is off, and we take out the other three the same way. So now the pipe's off, so I will remove the spark plugs with this 16, and let me see. Okay, so I will check. So here are the old spark plugs and the new ones, but I think the old ones were not too bad, but I will change these. Now the new spark plugs are in. So we have to put back those pipes, but first I'm gonna use some contact cleaner on each pipes. Okay. First one, second one, the third, and the fourth. Okay. Now I'll put back those pipes back. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, I now connect these until we hear a click. This one too. Okay. The last one. Okay. Now I put this back. Yeah, click were there. So I will fasten these screws. Okay, so I think we finished. First I will try to start the car before I install this cover. Okay, and let's see. So it's working nice, so I finally put back the cover.